Hey guys, how are you all? Hope so fine and studying well at home and not troubling your moms much. Okay, so today we are going to write the question answers of chapter number 3, that is Jack and the Beanstalk. So let's do it. Okay, open your notebook. Open the index page of your notebook. What do you see there? Serial number column. Okay, date. Both these columns you are free to fill up on your own. Serial number, whatever number is going on there in your index, you have to fill up with that. Then date. The date, today's date, okay. The date on which you are watching this lecture, okay. So then the topic, okay, this is important. What is topic? What we are going to do today? We are going to write the question and answer of which chapter? Chapter 3. Okay, so chapter in short 3, and then in the bracket question and answer in short also. Okay, Q U E for question, A and S for answer. Okay, that's it. Do it fast. Okay, don't skip these things. You have to fill up this, the number and the date, and then you start writing this topic. And I really like those notebooks in which the students fill up the index properly. Okay, so you better do it. Now open a new fresh page of your notebook. Okay, a new page. So, for suppose this is your margin. Here on the first set of 4 lines, write down C. C. Why C we are writing? Because number A we have done the new words, on number B we have done the word meanings, and now C, that is for answer the following questions. So write down the heading. ANSWER, answer the following FO LOLOWING following questions. Okay, write it down along with me. Okay, don't wait for me to give you time, because you are not that much habitual na ki I am writing here and you can write in your notebook, right? So this is our heading. Answer the following question. One more important thing that you need to do is that is to fill up the date column, right? Fill up the date column in this format. The same date will come here that you have written in the index. Fine? Don't forget to do that. Otherwise, when you will send me the notebooks for correction, I'll put a question mark over there. And yeah, if I'll be giving you good or very good or something like that, if the date is not filled up here, I will not give you any good remark. Okay, so do that 1-2 second task. Now then here, question number 1. So as you are familiar, we do not just do the questions that are given in the book, but we also add up some extra questions. And you have seen it in the periodic test 1, that not only the question answers, I give the exercise also from between the chapters. Okay, so that you do not become a rattu tota. बस याद करके एग्जाम दे दिया. No, I don't want my students to be like that. I want my students to be broad-minded, to understand each and everything, and to be able to solve each and every question. Fine. So one extra question. The first question is an extra question that is not in your book, that I have made. So what was the name of Jack's cow? And I know you have understood the lesson very nicely, and I know you are able to answer that. So question is, what? This W capital, okay? What was the name of Jack because this is the name of a boy and it's a proper noun. What was the name of Jack's cow? And a question mark. Don't forget to put a question mark. Why? Because it is an interrogative sentence, right? And at the end, we write the question mark. We put a question mark. So what is the answer? Do you know the name of Jack's cow? What was the name? Something white, right? Milky White was the name of Jack's cow. So you know the answer. I'll tell you how to write it. In the place of this what? Very easy. In the place of this what? We will write the name of the cow, that is Milky White, and the question as it is in the answer. Very easy to remember also and to write also. So in the place of what? We will write Milky White. M capital, M-I-L-K-Y, Milky, a dash, and W-H-I-T-E, white. Milky White. Now from the question. Was the name of Jack's, okay, don't forget to put this apostrophe, Jack's cow, C-O-W, cow, and a full stop. Okay, easy, right? The extra question is not at all difficult. It is very easy. So just do it. Write it fast. I'll give you 1 minute time to write each and every question. In that time, you should be able to write the answer. Okay, otherwise you will become like tortoise. Very, very slow in writing. So just write it fast. What was the name of Jack's cow? Milky White was the name of Jack's cow. By the way, this W is small, not capital. Okay, Milky White. Question number 2 now. It is again an easy question if you have understood the chapter nicely. What did the old man give to Jack? Very easy. So while I am writing the question, you remember what did the old man give to Jack? So question is, what, this W capital, did the old man give to Jack? Okay. What's the meaning of the question? In Hindi, I can say the meaning is old man ने जैक को क्या दिया? ओके, जैक ने ओल्ड मैन को क्या दिया था? मिल्की व्हाइट दी थी. उसके बदले में ओल्ड मैन ने जैक को क्या दिया? That we have to write. So what did the old man give to Jack? Answer writing is also easy, but not this much easy as the first answer, but I'll tell you how to write. Okay, so first you tell me क्या दिया? 5 seeds, right? So the same we are.
Okay, the old man. Now this give will become gave. Why? Because we are writing the answer in past tense. Okay, this give is a present tense word. Okay, so we have to convert it into past tense, and very easy it is. Give will become gave. How? G-I-V-E is give, G-A-V-E is gave. The old man gave. Now what did he give? 5 beans. So let's start it here. F-I-V-E 5, B-E-A-N bean, seeds, S-W-E-S, seeds, to Jack. Right? So was it easy? The old man gave bean seeds to Jack. Very easy, na? The answer formation is
Please note it down. This is again an extra question. It is not in your book. Okay? What did the old man give to Jack? The old man gave 5 bean seeds to Jack. So you can see half of the answer is there in the question only. You have to just remember what? This 5 bean seeds. Easy? Do it fast. Okay, now question number 3, and that is the first question of your book. What's the question? The question is, where did the giant's wife hide Jack? Where did the giant's wife hide Jack? H-I-D-E, hide. J-A-C-K, Jack. Okay. Where did the giant's wife hide Jack? Giant की wife ने Jack को कहाँ hide किया? That means कहाँ छुपाया? Okay. So let's write the answer. So So where did she hide Jack? Where did she hide Jack? She hid Jack in the oven that was there in kitchen. Kitchen में जो oven था वहाँ पे छुपाया था, right? So let's write it. So from the question we are making the answer. So starting from here, the giant's wife. Okay, let's write it. The giant's, G-I-A-N-T-S, giant's wife. Now this hide will become what? It will become hid, H-I-D, hid. The giant's wife hid Jack. Okay, so इतना तो question से ही हमने देख लिया, right? In the oven. In the oven. Okay, so only this piece you have to remember. What you have to remember? That in the oven. Other things you can easily find from the question itself. And one place to put a full stop here. So just please write. The giant's wife hid Jack in the oven. Okay, after that I am going to rub the question number 1. So you should be complete with that. Okay, so now I am going to rub the question number 1 and its answer. Okay, again an extra question made by me. Question number 4. What is that? The question is, what type of eggs did the hen lay? जो egg थी वो किस तरह करके एग्स अंडे देती थी. ओके, सो व्हाट टाइप ऑफ एग्स डिड द hen lay? Write the question with me. Okay, what type of eggs did the hen lay? Now you tell me what type of eggs did the hen lay? Normal eggs? No. Aluminium, iron, copper eggs? No. The hen laid what type of eggs? Golden eggs, right? So let's write the answer. So the answer is very very small, okay? It's a small answer. The hen, beginning from here, the hen. The hen, H-E-N, hen. Now you know this lay will become laid in the answer in the past tense. So the hen laid, L-A-I-D, laid. The hen laid what type of eggs? Golden eggs. Okay, the hen laid golden eggs. And the full stop. Just write it fast.
What you need to do today? Your task is to learn the question and answers. ओके, क्योंकि हम वो अगर पेंडिंग रखेंगे, हम PT2 का वेट करेंगे, PT2 आएगा फिर लर्न करेंगे, तो फिर यू नो यू विल मेस अप देयर. तो आज कराया है, आज ही लर्न कर लो. ओके, डू इट फास्ट. Question number 5 is from your book. That is question number 2 of your book. Where did Jack hide the second time when he came to the giant's house? Hindi translation of the question is, where did the Jack hide the second time? Jack दूसरी बार कहाँ छुपा था? When he came to the giant's house, जब वो giant के house में आया था. तो that means जब जैक दूसरी बार जायंट के हाउस में आया था तब वो कहाँ छुपा था. तो दैट वी हैव टू टेल. अच्छा, ये जो था वेयर डिड द जायंट्स वाइफ हाइड जैक, तो ये जब द जैक केम फर्स्ट टाइम ना, जैक व्हेन जैक केम फर्स्ट टाइम टू द जायंट्स हाउस, ही मेट जायंट्स वाइफ एंड शी हाइड हिम इनटू इन द ओवन, राइट. बट सेकंड टाइम जैक जब आया तब उसने जायंट की वाइफ को नहीं बताया था कि मैं आ रहा हूँ, तो ही जस्ट क्रेप्ट इनसाइड द हाउस ना, वो तो चुपके से बस अंदर चला गया था. तो अब हमें बताना है कि सेकंड टाइम वो कहाँ छुपा था. ओके, आई एम राइटिंग द क्वेश्चन. आफ्टर दैट आई विल ना रब दिस क्वेश्चन 2 and its answer. So if you have not done it, do it fast. Where did Jack hide the second time when he came to the giant's house? The question might be big for you, but the answer is very easy. Where did Jack hide the second time when he came to the giant's house?
question mark. Let's write the answer. So you know where did he hide? कहाँ छुपा था second time? He hid into a big copper pot. एक बड़े से कॉपर के पॉट में वो छुपा था, है ना? So let's write the answer there. दो जगह थी जहाँ वो छुपा था. पहली बार तो in the oven and second time in a big copper pot. Okay? So Jack, starting from here, Jack, hide will become what? It will become hid. Jack hid into a big copper pot. Okay? Making the answer as easy for you to write and remember. Jack hid into a big copper pot. And if you want to add something more in the answer, you can add Jack hid into a big copper pot the second time when he came to the giant's house. Okay, if you want to make the answer big, you can do that, but I know you don't want that, so just write that. Jack hid into a big copper pot. If you are starting a new page, if one page is filled up with question answers, don't forget to write the date on the new page. Okay? Okay, now question 6. What did the giant do with his golden heart? And this is a question from your book only. What did the giant do with his golden heart? Okay, so can you tell me what did he do with his golden heart? क्या उसने हार्प लेकर बजाना चालू किया था? No. He just asked the harp to sing. Okay, he just asked the harp to sing, and the harp started singing a beautiful song, right? So let's write the same thing. So here, stealing two words from the question, the giant asked. Okay, A-S-K-E-D, asked his golden heart. His golden heart. To sing. Okay. These two words you have to remember. But you know, whenever it will come in the exam, don't write just these two words. I am not going to give you marks. In PT1, in most of the answer sheets, what I saw, you know, for example, if the question is like, what was the name of Jack's cow? तो आप में से बहुत सारों ने लिख दिया है मिल्की वाइट. For example, I am telling you, है ना? What was the name of 1-inch boy? तो आप में से बहुत सारे बच्चों ने लिखा था ईसुन बोशी. Why you didn't write the full answer? I want the full sentence answer, otherwise I'll cut your marks. Okay, so मैंने कहा ये दो words याद रखना. Why? Because other words तो you can find from the question. Okay, this is the basic funda of writing the answers. But ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ ये दो words लिख के आ गए आंसर में. I'm not going to give you marks for that. You have to write the answer in the full sentence because you are in class 2. You are very big. Okay, so just write the answer. The giant asked his golden harp to sing. Giant ने अपने golden harp से गाने के लिए कहा, sing. Okay, write the answer. And we are left with our last question. That is question number 7. I'll come to that as soon as you finish writing. Okay guys, done? I hope so. Question number 7 we will write. The last question of this chapter. And then our chapter will be over with this question. Okay? Just a moment. So question number 7. How did Jack save himself from the giant? Jack ने अपने आप को himself, Jack ने अपने आप को giant से कैसे बचाया? That we have to answer. Question 7 is, and this is a question from your book, not any extra question made by me. How did Jack save himself from the giant, from the giant? अच्छा, यू नो कैसे बचाया जैक ने अपने आप को? Okay, what happened in the last scene? When Jack was running down, Giant came rushing after Jack. Giant Jack के पीछे पीछे भागता हुआ आ रहा था. Then both of them were climbing down the beanstalk. दोनों के दोनों beanstalk से नीचे उतर रहे थे. What did Jack do at that time? Jack cut the beanstalk into two, and then Giant fell down with a thud. So all this happened. Okay, and this is how Jack saved himself from the giant. So let's write the same thing. Answer might be big. You feel that answer is big, but it is not. If you understand the answer, it will be easy for you. Okay, so let's steal something from the question. Okay, question से कुछ चीजें चुराते हैं. Jack. Okay, beginning. Let's begin from here. Jack. J-A-C-K. Jack. Now this save will become save. Okay, ed will get added. और जब ed लग जाएगा तो ये word हो जाएगा past tense का. So Jack saved. S-A-V-E-D. Saved himself from the giant by, okay, now from here the main answer will start. Climbing down by climbing down and cutting the beanstalk into two. Two means do. Okay. So let me just explain you the answer because it's a little big. So I am going to translate this in Hindi. Jack saved himself from the giant. Jack ने अपने आप को giant से बचाया by climbing down, नीचे उतरकर and cutting the beanstalk into two, और beanstalk को दो हिस्सों में कट कर उसने अपने आप को giant से बचाया. अगर वो नहीं कट करता तो what would have happened? The giant would have caught Jack. Giant ने Jack को पकड़ लिया होता और फिर उसके साथ पता नहीं क्या किया होता. Okay, so this is where our chapter is over. And if you are good student of mine now, you will learn the question answers today. And if you are not good students, you will make it pending for PT2 to learn. Okay, आप बचा के रखोगे PT2 में learn करने के लिए. हाँ, if you are good students, you will learn and write it today itself. So I know many of you are good. So okay, let's end it here. So see you in the next lecture. Till then, study hard and take care of yourself. Bye bye.